In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in ClickUp. Whether you're looking to give your workspace a fresh new look or simply want to adjust the appearance to better suit your needs, updating the theme in ClickUp is a straightforward process that can be done in just a few steps. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once the homepage loads, find the login button and enter your credentials to access your ClickUp account. If you're not already logged in, this step is essential to ensure you can access the settings we need to change the theme. Logging in will bring you to your main ClickUp dashboard, which is the hub of all your projects and tasks. Once you're logged in, focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen where your profile icon is located. It's typically represented by either your initials or a small avatar if you've uploaded a photo. Go ahead and click on that icon. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu that will contain several options related to your account settings. Now, within this drop-down menu, you'll want to look for the option labeled Themes. Click on this option and it will lead you to the Themes page, where all the available themes are displayed. This is where the fun begins, as you can see a variety of theme options to choose from. On the Themes page, you can explore different color palettes and design choices available to customize your space. ClickUp usually offers a selection of light, dark, and other color combinations, each providing a different aesthetic and user experience. To apply a theme, simply click the one you prefer. You'll notice that the changes reflect instantly, allowing you to see how your selection alters the appearance of your dashboard and all associated workspaces. Remember, changing your theme doesn't reset or lose any of your data. It merely changes the visual aspect of your ClickUp environment. It's all about personalizing your experience to make your workspace more enjoyable and tailored to your liking. You can experiment with different themes as often as you want until you find the one that feels just right. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully changed the theme in ClickUp, giving your workspace an appealing new look. If you're ever in the mood for a change again, you can always repeat these steps to update your theme to something new. Thank you for watching and happy customizing. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips on optimizing your ClickUp experience.